In today's video, we'll be looking at one of the most intriguing questions out there right now in today's world, which is, can artificial intelligence make more money online than humans? Well, you never can tell, and that's why in today's video, we're diving into the world of AI and also the world of online earning to learn more. So yeah, let's get right into it. Artificial intelligence has come a long way in several aspects of our lives, especially in the online earning space. Looking at several things like content creations, like affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and several other aspects where you can actually make money from. Artificial intelligence has gained a whole lot of tractions, drawing a whole lot of people to make use of it to actually make money online. But the question still remains, can AI replace humans in these areas of the online earning space? Now, let's even start by analyzing the capabilities of AI. Looking at several discoveries of AI and several new technologies in the artificial intelligence industries, we've been able to see that AI can actually analyze several amounts of data or information in a very quick and well optimized manner, including marketing campaigns, even high quality contents like articles, social media posts, and even an entire book. Looking at the ebook creations, looking at paperbacks, and several things that deals with book creation, AI can actually do this in very few minutes. Now, aside that, AI can even trade cryptocurrencies and even stocks with precision and speed with the new AI bots we're having, the new AI trade bots, and several other bots you can now use in several aspects of online earning. In fact, you can even look at the digital art creation. AI can actually create images in just few seconds. All you have to do is to insert the text and then AI actually generates these images for you. And in addition to all this, at the same time while AI is able to do this for us all, AI is actually saving us a whole lot of time to do several other things, to make several other decisions, and thereby making us make more money. Because if I actually can use AI to do this particular thing, I'm able to actually start making money from this and then switch to something else, saving time. But with all these, do AI even have limitations? Well, we're going to compare with that of humans. Now, if you look at humans, for example, yes, we're humans. Yeah, we might not be perfect, but there are things that AI can never ever replace, no matter how good the AI is. And this is my belief, and this is actually more of a fact. All right, let's look at the aspect of emotions. Let's look at the aspect of proper understanding. Let's look at the aspect of flexibility. AI cannot replace this 100%. A good example is if you approach someone who actually does a service and now you explain to the person properly about what you actually want. Compared to AI will just give you, whatever you give it, it just gives you, and it might not be up to satisfaction. But then if you're giving someone who is a professional, a normal human, and then you explain how you feel about it or how you want the emotion of this particular product to be, the person will be able to convert it to the exact thing you want, because the person is actually human and the person actually feels such emotions and understands you properly. Now, this is something that AI cannot replace. This is like the limitations of AI, and these are actually the strengths that AI cannot replace in terms of humans. But yes, one thing still remains, and that is we cannot conclude, alright? Because AI keeps evolving every single day. We keep having new AIs for different functions every single day. And now, there's nothing you can think of right now that you wouldn't have an AI that can actually do it. Is it about music? Is it article writing? Is it ebook writing? Is it video editing? Is it image generation? Like, is it trading? Is it real estate? We have, is it customer service? Whatever you might think of, is it healthcare? We already have AIs that are actually doing this. In fact, we have AIs that, doing surgeries right now on humans in real life. We have AIs that are working on real life medical issues right now. So we can't conclude right now because AI just keeps evolving. But yeah, the answer to this major question is we cannot really say. It doesn't have an answer, let's put it that way, because it all depends. All right, it all depends. AI cannot replace humans in terms of making money online 100%. That's just it. And as well, humans cannot push away AI. We are here to stay together. In fact, that's the best thing. We're just here to work together. That's more like the answer. We just have to work together. You have to embrace the change. You need to, embrace what is happening right now, because there's nothing we can do right now. AI is actually taking over. So you just have to embrace AI and then use it to your own advantage. Use it to your own maximum best. Optimize it very well. If it's about making money online, if it's about learning more skills, just optimize the AI, because AI is here to stay, and that's just a fact. And yes, guys, that brings us to the end of today's highly informative video. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. Also, drop a like on the video if you haven't, so as to ensure that this video actually goes out there to several other people that are interested in this content. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next highly informative video. Grazie.